The Mazda CX-9 key fob, used in models from 2007 to 2025, features a simple design for battery replacement. First, locate the release tab, usually a small indentation near the keyring hole on the side or bottom of the fob. Gently insert a flat, non-conductive tool, like a plastic key fob opener or a small screwdriver, into the tab. Twist to carefully split the case into two halves. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. You're now ready to access the battery compartment. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side typically faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation to avoid damaging the circuit. Next, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob case back together until you hear a click, ensuring all clips are secured. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your CX-9 from a short distance, within 10 feet. If the buttons don't work, double-check the battery orientation and case assembly. Replacing the battery yourself saves money compared to dealership service and is generally a straightforward process.